Hi guys, so here we have an update. It's Tuesday morning, the 6th of October, and I've been staking some tokens. I'm already in this one here, and this one is finished now. So I'm going to show you in a moment how much I've made. I started with $400 worth of Tron, and it did. I liked the performance of it. So what I did was I put a bit more Tron in. So I've invested up to $1,300 worth of Tron. So I'm going to take those out in a minute. But if we look here, you can see all these DeFi systems that you can go into. Okay, these staking. So it's basically you need Tron, and you're going to be putting your Tron up, staking it against these other coins. Okay, so let me just show you the sort of returns you can get. So here we are on the stats screen. So this is the one that I was in. Well, I'm still in. I'm just about to withdraw out of it. And that was a weekly return of 474%, or just over 474%. So I'm going to withdraw that out in a moment. So first off, I want to have a look at what I've got in the wallet. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got $20 worth of TRX, which equates to 760. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll make a note of that. So here I am. So I've got 761 of Tron, the TRX. Okay, and that equates to, I'll just put a dollar sign there just to show you, that's about $20. So then if I come down, you'll see there's nothing else in the wallet. I've got none of this MRK. Okay, so zero. So if I put there 0 MRK. Okay, so let's see what I've made. So let me withdraw and exchange it up for Tron. So as you can see here, I've made a bit overnight while I was sleeping. And now what I'm going to do is click on Harvest and Withdraw. And I'm going to click Accept. That's now gone down to 0. So now what I need to do now is to actually transfer this into Tron. And so I can put it into money. So to do that, I come up to the top and I go to Pool. Once I'm on there, I'm going to go over to this link here that says MRK TRX Just Swap. Click there. That will open up this website. Here you'll see it tells me the price of the MRK in dollar value. So I'm just going to click on Trade. And I'm going to come over to Pool. And here I'm going to click Remove. And I'm going to say the maximum. And I'm going to click Remove. Confirm the transaction. That will open up my Tron Link wallet, and I'll click Accept. And now I can view, I can either leave this for this to go to, because as you can see there it says pending and this will say confirmed, but I can also view this on the Tron scan. So I click over there. Now on the Tron scan, as you can see, it says unconfirmed. So what I'm waiting for is for that to be successful. So we'll just wait a few moments for that. So now we've got confirmed 21 blocks, as you can see there, and it says confirmed. So now what I can do is I can close these, and you'll also see that this pop-up in the top right hand corner says confirmed as well. So I can close that and close that. And what I need to do, let's go over to the wallet. So as you can see now, MRK at the bottom here, I've got 15.26 of MRK. So what I need to do is to convert that back into Tron. So all I need to do is to come over to Swap. And what we're doing is we're swapping MRK to Tron. And at the moment it says Tron at the top here and MRK at the bottom. So all I need to do is to click on this arrow like that. And now I've got MRK at the top and Tron at the bottom. So all I need to do now is to say how much MRK I'm going to convert. And if I also look at the wallet, you'll see already I've got $1,323 sitting in the wallet, okay, which is what I staked. So now let's see how much profit I've made. So I've got my principal back, which is the $1,300. So now I'm going to say the maximum, and I'm going to say swap. It's going to ask me to confirm the swap, which I'm about to do. So confirm. That will open my Tron Link wallet, and I need to accept that. As you can see, I can see that I get this pop up again in the top right hand corner to say it's pending, but I can also view it on the Tron scan. So I go over to Tron scan, And now what I'm waiting is for the confirmation here. As you can see, it's only 3 blocks. That needs to go up to about 19, 20 blocks for this unconfirmed to go to confirmed. As you can see now, that says confirmed. Okay, so that means I can close this window now, and that will bring me back over to the JustSwap site. And as you can see, it says confirmed there. So that's the transaction completed. So now I'll just have a look in my Tron wallet. So I've got $2,670 in total. So let's just get the calculator. So $2,670 point, and I'll minus the $1,300 roughly that I put in the beginning. So I've made a profit of $1,370 in just 5 days. Okay, that's 5 days that this particular pool run for. Now, if you want to get access to this and you want to know how to do these DeFi staking, which is DeFi stands for decentralized finance, because this is really passive income. The only thing I have to do is deposit the money in and then withdraw out what I put in and withdraw the profit, because it's decentralized. It's DeFi, which is decentralized finance. So your money's not at risk. You'll always have back what you put in originally, and then what you make is where you get your profit from. And in this case, I've made just over $1,300 in profit. Now, if you really want to have a passive income with a daily ROI, I've got some fantastic opportunities for you. Leave me a comment, because I've got actually 3 passive incomes that I know you're going to love, and you can start off small and really get a fantastic income. Leave me a comment below the video if you want to have a passive income that's truly passive and as safe as it can get. It's on smart contracts. It's decentralized finance. I'll see you in another video. Leave me a comment. You have an amazing day. Bye now.